Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video I'm going to cover the Cuisinart Soho 5-cup coffee maker. Alright, the Cuisinart Soho 5-cup coffee maker. I believe Soho stands for small office, home office. At least I think that's what that means. This I purchased on Amazon, and the current price is $59.95. That's the current price, early March 2025. However, I did purchase this a long time ago. I tested it a long time ago. I just never made the video. And it's a simple basic coffee maker, and let's get straight into the demo. First, I'm just going to show you what it comes with. First, on top we have coffee scoop. It's labeled for hot and iced. Now there is no setting for hot or iced. It's just one brew cancel button, basically an on-off button. So if you're going to be making iced coffee, I'm going to assume it's going to be in the carafe or some type of glass, because don't forget you do have a warming plate. Just a quick note, it's the top cover that houses the scoop. A removable water level indicator for both hot and iced. Not easy to see the markings. On the box, you can see that it's black, but on the actual product it's clear. But we have 15 ounce, 20 ounce, 15 ounce, 20 ounce, I can't even see it, in 25 ounces. That's the max. This is a 5-cup coffee maker. 5 ounces per cup. This is the filter housing. I believe it comes with a charcoal filter. I use filtered water, so I don't bother with them anyway. But I misplaced it. I'm dropping things. I misplaced it. So I can't show that example, but it's just this like this little cube filter that you would put in here. Close it and it would just sit right in here like so. But I filter my own water, so I'm not going to bother with that in this demo. And the removable water reservoir. We have the removable brew basket housing. A lot of removable parts with this coffee maker. I'm going to be honest, I'm not a big fan of that. I'm going to place this on top. And we have a removable brew basket and reusable screen filter. And at the base of the unit we have the brew cancel button and the warming plate. I want to show this regarding the heating plate. The keep warm mode, when the coffee is done brewing, it'll shut off after 30 minutes. Automatically. I'm slowly pouring in the water. I could see this confusing the hell out of some people. You see the water here? It's sort of creeping up this way at an angle. I'm going to try to get it to this line. And this is like really complicated, especially if like first thing in the morning you're making coffee and you're tired and you can't really see too well. So we're going to go, I mean, this is weird. So that's it. We filled it up right to the 25 ounce max water level line. Now, thank God for this. Towards the back of the unit they actually do have, I just noticed this now, I do apologize, a marked water level, just in case you're not sure. So we're going to add 5 tablespoons, and by the way, this scoop that it comes with equals 1 tablespoon. Even says it right there, 1 tablespoon. So for the full 5-cup pot, we'll just add 5 scoops. Make sure that's level too. So that's 1. 2, 4, that was 4, and 5. And if you grind your own beads, you want to use like a medium grind texture. I'm going to give a quick shot of the shower head underneath the water reservoir. Let's place this back. Plug it in. And also, real quickly, forgot to mention this, but the lid of the carafe pops off. Okay, so we're going to press start, brew cancel, and we're going to time it. I believe it just finished up. 10 minutes and 40 seconds. I mean, if there's a plus, yeah, 175. Pretty good. Usually I pull 160, 165 maybe. That's 10 degrees hotter than the average, at least that I did on this channel. I did quite a few. I'm going to throw in one of these creamers so you get an idea of strength. I was using the 5 scoops for the 5 cups. A tablespoon per cup. It's on the bold side. Might be a little too strong for some. Let's see. Yeah. The heat. Yeah, a little on the bold side. I mean, I'm fine with that. I like a strong cup of coffee. But maybe because it took a while to brew. That's probably the reason why. So yeah, it's bold. Just keep that in mind. You're going to get a more flavorful cup of coffee. Not too strong. Let me do another sip. That's good. It's actually very good. It's pleasant. It's nice and hot. And the flavor's pretty good. I'll give it that. I mean, it has its plus points. The only minus is that all these clunky plastic parts, I don't know if folks are going to be a big fan of that. I mean, I'm certainly not, especially in the morning. And that water level indicator, I mean, you have it on the side, like I mentioned, but I would have at least made this black. Like, it's like on the box, you can see it's black. There's some things I would have changed. I would have had this swing open like the older models. The water reservoir, I would have had it in the back maybe. But overall, it's a good unit. I mean, maybe a little expensive for a 5-cup coffee maker. That's just basic, you know, no programmable timer or anything like that. No extra features, just like an on-off button, basically. But I'm just here for the demo. You could draw your own conclusions in the comments below. That's going to be the video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Let me know what you think. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. That's helping it out. And I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching.